Are you looking for a quick fix to remove that unwanted belly fat? Yeah, me too! But unfortunately, it doesn't work that way, especially after 40. What's up, good people? My name is Tamara, and this is Daily Affirmations for the Big Girl in All of Us vlog. The vlog accompanies my new web series by the same name. While the web series focuses on interviews with health professionals, healthy recipes, workouts, and my fitness journey as a whole, the vlog lets viewers in on my daily routine. More than just the befores and afters, you, the audience, gets to see what actually happens when the cameras stop rolling between episodes and the real work takes place. It's my hope that the series and vlog provides each viewer with an abundance of resources and grants us a better understanding of health and wellness beyond 40. So, if you're ready to embark on this adventure with me, let's get to it. Good morning and what's up, everybody? This is Tamara coming to you from day number 11 of Daily Affirmations for the Big Girl in All of Us. We are preparing to go out and get in a quick walk this morning. I do have to work. This is another work day, but more importantly, look at the sky behind me. So, can you see that? Yeah, the sky is looking a bit overcast. I want to try and get out here and beat the rain. That's my number one objective. Number two, obviously, no. That's my number two objective. Number one, obviously, is to get out and get my steps for the day. As always, I'll put the final step count in the description below the video, and I will also come back at the end of this transmission and let you know how I'm feeling for the day and leave you with a word of affirmation, because that has since become our custom, and we will not veer away from custom on this channel. I do want to encourage you, if you have not already, make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, Daily Affirmations for the Big Girl in All of Us, on YouTube. Follow us on socials, and please make sure that you're hitting the bell so that you are notified anytime we upload any new content. And with that, let's go ahead and get started on our walk. I'm at the entrance of the park, and I'm going to go ahead and get started with my walk. I will be back momentarily to tell you what the step count is at each interval that I go past. Every lap that I do, I'll try to stop here and fill you guys in on where I am in terms of step count. It is still looking very, very, very overcast this morning, and I do have to get to work. So I don't know how many laps I'll be able to do, but hopefully 2. We'll see. Still looking a little crazy. Look at that cloud. Okay, so I've been trying to get some really cool shots and stuff as I've been walking, but I gotta hurry up because it's almost time for me to get to work, and I don't know how much longer we have before it starts to rain. So I'm gonna speed up this whole process and just kind of show you my perspective as I walk. like this part because it's so scenic and so pretty. You're like embedded in nature without actually being in nature. So I don't know how well I do out here, but it's pretty. All right, guys, finally made it back home after today's walk. I only got 4,945 steps, but it's okay because after you see this B-roll, I think you're gonna say that I wasted a lot of time playing around with this new tool. However, I still have the remainder of the day to get the rest of my steps, and so I'll be sure to add that final step count to the comment section or to the description below the video. I don't know if I've lost any weight yet or not because I've yet to do my weigh-in. I won't do that probably until next week, but I must say that there is a noted difference between the way I feel on day 11 versus the way I felt on day 1. Thank you all so much for agreeing to come along with me today. I really appreciate the camaraderie, and I really appreciate the company because it can get a little lonely out here trying to do all this stuff by yourself. But once again, if you have not already subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. It's Daily Affirmations for the big girl in all of us. You want to make sure that you like and subscribe, obviously, so that we can continue doing what we do. It's got this, I got this, we got this, we can do this. And until tomorrow. Morning, good morning, get out. Oh, what away. Day 11's walk was fun, but now it's done. Hope you all will find some joy in your day today. Remember, the best investment you'll ever make is the investment you make in your own health and wellness. So until next time, do good, be well, ta-ta, and bye.